Hello everyone, so this is going to be the review for the iLife A4S, which is their latest iteration of the A4. I've just unpacked everything. It comes with everything the A4 did, an extra filter, 2 extra side brushes, charging base, remote, a cleaning tool, batteries, and user manual. And it looks very similar to the A4. I don't see much different except there's a different color for the bristle brush down here. And supposedly it has better battery life and better suction, so we'll test that out coming up here. Alright, so the first test is going to be cleaning my upstairs bedrooms. The floor is not very dirty. It was vacuumed about maybe a week ago, and then some light traffic, so we're going to try to clean this, and then we're going to check how long this goes for, the duration, and also we're going to see how much the A4S actually picks up. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to hit clean, and then I'll let him go on his way. You can tell he's not very loud. So I'm gonna let him clean, and then we'll come back later and see how he did. Alright, so the A4S, it cleaned for about 130 minutes and then it docked. So let's see what she did. My floors look a lot cleaner. Maybe you can tell. Let's see here. Cut it off. Okay, so you can see here's kind of one of the issues with the bristle brush configuration is it gets all this hair stuck around it, so you gotta clean that often if you have dogs or a wife with long hair. It'll get wrapped around it, but it's a good sign, at least it's cleaning. So, and let's see here how much. Okay, yeah, so it's pretty full. See if I can open this up without dumping it everywhere. Yeah, so there's all the rubbish that it picked up off my floors, hair and all sorts of nasty stuff. So let's see if I can dump this without getting it everywhere. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to demonstrate the edge function, which is this button right here. You just put it on the left side to the edge that you want it to clean. And you press the button and it'll go along the edge and clean. And here's a drop off, so it should stop. Yep. And it'll just keep going along the edge. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the spot cleaning mode, which is this button right here. So if you have like an excessively dirty spot, it'll just go around in circles, and it'll slowly build up to a larger and larger diameter circle that it cleans. So yeah, that's pretty cool.